Alright guys, we are on our way to an insurance claim inspection. All we gotta do is just inspect the system and send over the report to the insurance company. Let's see what we find here. They got an oil furnace apparently. It's central AC, so let's see what we find. Alright guys, so we got an oil boiler. No AC at this house. I thought it was supposed to be a furnace, an oil furnace with a central AC, but they only have an oil boiler, no AC. We already took out the electrodes, inspected electrodes, inspected the nozzle, oil filter. I do not see any write-ups from any maintenance or any service done on it. But we got the piping, barometric damper. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this open, inspect the inside, and see what happens. Alright guys, now that we're all done with that call and I smell like oil, guess we do service oil heating. It is a very smelly job. However, now that we're all done with that, we got all the information for the insurance company. We're going to get it all submitted, and the insurance company and the customer have to take it from there. It's out of our hands now. The heat exchanger I did not see any leaks or nothing like that, so everything was working properly as I could see. Alright guys, if you are in the Bucks County, PA area or any surrounding areas, give us a phone call, 908-476-8921. Service your heating, your air conditioning, handyman services. Call us and ask us if we do what you need. 9 times out of 10, we will. 908-476-8921. Precise Comfort Services. Take care, guys.